Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a brown sugar simple syrup. This one is so easy to make and it stays good in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. This tastes great in coffees, cocktails, and tea. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you my easy morning latte that I make every day as a busy mom, so make sure to stick around. Let's get started with our simple syrup. We only need 3 ingredients. We have brown sugar, vanilla, and we're gonna use some water, and we also just need a saucepan like this. We are gonna go ahead and turn our heat to medium, add in 1 cup of water, allow the water to heat up, but we don't want it to start boiling rapidly. What we're looking for is just bubbles around the edges of the pot. It only takes about 90 seconds before that water starts heating up since there's only a little bit of it. We're gonna add in our brown sugar. This is 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And then just start gently stirring it until all that brown sugar is dissolved. I like to keep stirring it. I don't want it to come to a rapid boil at all. I just want it to stay nice and hot and really just dissolve that sugar. This is gonna take a couple minutes for it to fully dissolve. And you can use dark or light brown sugar. I use light brown just because that's what I had, but you can definitely use dark if you prefer it. The mixture is starting to get really hot and all the sugar is dissolved, so I'm gonna go ahead and just turn off the heat completely and just add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla and brown sugar taste so good together, so I love having the combination. This is gonna sit on the stovetop for about 30 minutes until we're ready to pour it into a container. Okay, so my syrup has started to cool down. If you have a funnel, then use it, that's great. I don't right now, so I'm just gonna transfer this into a Pyrex dish. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit longer. You can see it's pretty steamy still. But what I'm looking for is I want a spout like this so that I can actually pour it, because it can make such a sticky mess if you just try and pour it from the pot. And I like to pour mine right over the sink just in case I make a mess. Okay, so our syrup is done. Let's make my easy morning latte. First, I start with an espresso shot. This is my trusty little Nespresso machine. I've had it forever. I'm gonna steam some oat milk. You can use any kind of milk here. I just really like oat milk. To my cup, I'm gonna add about 1 ounce of this syrup, whatever you wanna call it. Add in a shot of espresso. Give that a little stir. And then I top it with my oat milk. And then I add just a little bit of cinnamon on top. That's it. We are all done with our 3 ingredient simple syrup. Let me know in the comments if you guys make it or what you're going to use it for. I love to know. And make sure to subscribe so that we can keep cooking together. I love creating simple recipes so it makes your life just a little bit easier. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.